Hello, hi everyone. Let's start with the Java Stream question. So we have a list of transaction and each transaction has transaction ID, the platform on which the transaction has been done and the amount of the transaction. So we need to process this list of transaction in such a way like it should give us the platform and all the transactions that I have done on that platform like this. A map of string as a platform and list of all the transactions that I have done on that platform. So I can just use as platform map equals to. So what we can do, we can just use the Java stream here, transaction list dot stream. So in this scenario, what we need to do, we need to group the transaction on the base of platform. Like all the transactions of Zomato should be grouped at a single place. All the transactions of Flipkart should be grouped in a single place. So there is something known as a collectors.grouping by, and here we can just pass the field on which we just want to group it. So as of now, we just want to group it on platform. So I can just pass the platform here. Yeah. So it will gonna give me a map which in which the key would be the platform like Zomato, Flipkart, Blinkit, and value would be the list of all the transactions that I have done on that platform. Let's try to run this one. Okay. So platform map. Okay. Let's see what it gives us. Cool. We can see it has created a map where key is Zepto and in the value it has a single transaction. On the other hand, we have the Zomato as a key and it has the list of all the transactions that I have done. There are two transactions in this one. The third one is Flipkart and a key and value as all the transaction list that we have done on the Flipkart only. Cool. Moving towards next, we have one more question. What if we just want to calculate the amount that I have spent on each platform? Something like this, like a map where key would be string, a platform, and value would be double. Like how much money I have spent on Zomato, Flipkart, Blinkit, something like this. So let's see how can we do this. Amount map equals to transaction list dot stream dot, again we need to group it. First we need to group it on the platform and then on the value side we need to sum up all the amount. So same thing we need to apply it here. Dot collectors dot grouping by transaction get platform, but on the value side we need to sum all the amount, and that we can easily do using something collectors dot summing double. So there is a function summing double which we can use here, and what it will do, it will gonna sum all the value, all the amount. We just need to pass the here amount, get amount. So what it will gonna do, first it will gonna group the whole transaction list on the platform as a key, and on the value side it will gonna sum up all the amount for each transactions. This one, let's try to print this one, amount map. Let's see what it prints. Yeah, we can see like on Zepto I have spent 150 rupees, on Zomato 625, and Flipkart 705. Cool. Thank you.